All right, today we're talking running form. If you're suffering from shin splints, knee pain, hip pain, it could be because you're overstriding. And overstriding leads to heel striking most of the time. So if you're landing like this, where do you think all of that impact, which is 2 to 3 times our body weight with each stride, is going? If the joints are locked out like this, that means that force is traveling up the shin muscles, right, the tib and the fib, into the knee joint, into your femur, and into your hip crease, and into your lower back. We don't want to do that. We want to use all of the muscles of the hamstrings, the adductors, down and through the calf and into the arch of the foot, right? The foot is meant to bend and rotate and absorb force. We want to use that with each and every stride that we take. So what do? We start small. That means that we're going to start with real small little trotty-based strides, just to get used to leaning forward, putting the weight on the front of the foot, feeling the arch move as we land, letting your hips sway side to side. Then you'll start to take bigger strides. And in that, you'll feel much more force being translated through the foot and into the muscles of the leg. So start small, start to retrain that pace. And when you find yourself forgetting during the run and you start heel striking, slow your pace down, focus on where and how you're running, not just how fast you're running. And I promise over time, you'll build up in that speed, you'll build up in your efficiency, which will allow you to run much longer, much faster, and most importantly, without the same type of pain and joint wear and tear.